Hello TY students, so let us consider the practical shift register, both hardware and software. So hardware implementation on CPLD, so 4-bit shift register that we are considering, and shift left and shift right operation that we are implementing on the CPLD. So shift register program, that is what it is considered there. So clock input, serial input, R/L bar, so right underscore L bar, so that means right/left bar, as good as. So input, and the Q, that is what it is output, 4-bit output. So whenever the R, that is 1, here it is written, so when clock is there and clock's event is there, so R underscore left bar is equal to 1, then temp will be equal to, we are considering the right operation, right shift operation. So shift right, that means serial input will be the first bit in the MSB and all other bits will be shifted. So 2 down to 0, that is what it is considered. Okay. Then in the left shift, so it will be 3 down to 1. Okay. And then serial input will be appended there with the LSB side. That is what it is considered. Okay. So that will be the way. So this thing will be implemented. Now this is what it is considered in the Xilinx ISC program. So I have pasted that program here with the Cortex 2 software. Okay, then compile, the things are compiled. Then I am going for the pin planner. So pin planner, so with the pin planner, this will be the thing. So clock input, that is what it is, pin number 18. Serial input, that is pin number 48, R/left bar, that is 39, and with the Q, 4 outputs, 4-bit output. So 53, that is Q of 3, and 58, that is Q of 0. That is what it is considered. So these things are put there, and then again with the pin planner. Okay, so going for the pin planner. Okay, so that is what it is in the assignment. इथं असाइनमेंट मध्ये ते पिन प्लॅनर आहे. सो दॅट इज व्हॉट इट इज कन्सिडर्ड. देन सेविंग दिस पिन प्लॅनर, again compiling the things, and again going for the next one, that is what it is, SVF file. So creating that, going for the programmer, that means tool operation, going for the programmer, this thing. So it will be the SVF file, that is what we are considering creating. So it will be shift underscore that SVF file. So that will be considered there. Okay, so that is what it is. Okay, that thing. Now with the JTAG connector, all these things are carried out. So cable FT2232, so driver, that is what it is detected or connected. Detect that command, so that means that is what it is, nothing but the family and the particular device. So the max V family and the device, that is 5M1270, that particular device is selected. Okay, that is detected. Then part 0, so going for the pin planner, and SVF, so that SVF location, file location, that is what it is given there. So this is what it is considered there. So you can see here the 4 bits, those are lit there. This is what the thing. So this is nothing but the serial input, and this as the clock, this as the right or left one, that one clock, that is already considered on board clock. So 1 Hz, that is what it is used there. So now all 4 are 1, so because I am giving here 1, so if 0, that is considered, so just see, so 0, that is what it is, shift kutla operation चालू आहे, shift left operation. So 1, that is I am giving, so 1, all ones are given. Okay, so मध्ये 0 देतो, this one मध्येच 1 देतो. Okay, here 1, that is what it is given, 0, that is given, like that, 0, that is given. Okay, sorry, 0, that is given, 1, that is given, 0 I am giving, again 1, that is what it is given. So all zeros, 1, that is what it is given. So I am giving you 0, so 0 will be shifted. Now it will be right shift. Okay, so right ला आता shift करतोय. So you can see there, shifting the 1 bit right, 0, 1, 0, 1, like that, that will be the thing. So shifting right operation, that is what it is carried out.